Are you on? Cool. G'day guys, this is David from Duty Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to program this remote start key fob to the brand new Ranger Super Duty. So come with me and let's program it. Alright, so first of all what you need is the remote start key fob, and you must have your 2 factory Ranger Super Duty keys, or else this won't work. Alright, cool. So step 1, what you're going to do first is locate your keys backup spot, which is located in the center console glove box. Alright, so you're going to grab your genuine key fob that came with the Ranger Super Duty. You're going to put it here in the key backup spot. Alright, so once you put the key into the backup spot, within 10 seconds, turn the car on to accessories mode and keep it on for about 2-3 seconds, then turn it off. Alright, after you've done the first key, within 10 seconds, grab your second genuine Ranger Super Duty key fob, same spot, and turn it on and turn it off again. And then repeat the same process for your remote start key fob. So this is a pretty quick process, so I recommend keeping all keys really close by. We'll do the whole sequence in one go. First key, straight in. 1, 2, 3. Second key, straight in. 1, 2, 3. Grab your third key, the remote start key fob, right in. Flashes, doors lock and lock, fully programmed. Let's go check it out. Alright, keys fully programmed now. This is a remote start key fob. Here's the 2 genuine key fobs. Just to prove that it actually works, I want to take this away from the car, throw it out next to the Ranger Raptor. So that's not near the car anymore. Alright, so the remote start sequence for the key fob to start your Ranger Super Duty is lock, start, start. There you go. That's how you do it. So the benefits of this remote start key fob is to heat or cool the cabin. So there's 2 modes here. The first mode is last user settings. So whatever it was set to last, whether it's 16, 25, that's what it will be. And then there's also auto. So on a hot day, the car will sense it and the car will cool down the cabin. On a cold day, the car will sense it and the car will heat up the cabin. So it's nice for you before you jump in the car itself. Alright, so if you want to configure your remote start settings, jump to the screen, press the little car icon, go to vehicle, go to remote start setup, and here you can see we've got climate control on auto. You can change that to last settings. We'll just leave it on auto. There's duration as well, 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever suits you. So that's how you configure the remote start setup. Pretty good, pretty nifty little thing. If you want one of these, check out dutytech.com.au and get yourself one.